Hello everyone, this is Lin from Team Sigma. In this video, I'm going to show you how our project works. Here are the major components of the project. We have some Bluetooth modules, we call them cows. And we have two Android phones, we call them Cowboy and Ranger. And we wrote a specific app for each of them. And we have a data server. So, I connected the power supplies for the cows. Now I'm going to put each of them into 3 different items. Alright, I brought my items to the laundry room, as you can see. Now, I'm gonna open the Cowboy app and run it.
Start watching.
Then I'm gonna hide this Cowboy device into some secure place, like my personal locker. There you go. So now the Cowboy here is watching my items inside this laundry room. Here's the outside of the laundry room. And here's the Ranger device. It doesn't have to be this close. You can do this at any place you like. You can do this in Las Vegas, in San Diego, whatever. So let's take a look at the Ranger app. So let's open the app. And the Ranger can read this report from the server. So let's push this button.
Everything is fine.
So it says everything's fine because, of course, nothing is missing there. And it can also keep reporting.
Start reporting. Everything is fine. Everything is fine.
It will keep reporting every 5 seconds
Everything is fine.
until you push this button.
Stop reporting.
So now let's actually test it. Alright, my assistant just arrived. So now I'm gonna keep reporting
Start reporting.
and assign him to randomly pick one item and take it away.
Everything is fine. Everything is fine.
So apparently he's taking away my backpack.
Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Your bag is missing. Your bag is missing.
Okay, now it reports my bag is missing.
Your bag is missing. Your bag is missing. Your bag is missing. Your bag is missing. Your bag is missing. Everything is fine.
Okay, now he put it back so it reports
Everything
everything's
is
fine
fine.
again. So this time let's try multiple items
Everything is
at the
fine.
same time.
Everything is fine.
So our Ranger is still reporting.
Everything is fine.
And he's
Everything
taking
is fine.
away my bag and laptop.
Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Your bag and laptop are missing.
So it reports my bag and laptop are missing.
Your bag and laptop are missing.
Awesome.
Your bag and laptop are missing.
So let's try to take away
Your bag and
the last
laptop are
item
missing.
and see what happens.
Your bag and laptop are missing. Your bag and laptop are missing. Your bag and laptop are missing. Your bag and laptop are missing.
So he's taking away
Your bag and laptop are
the
missing.
last item, which is my laundry.
Your bag and laptop are missing. Your bag and laptop are missing. All of your items are missing.
So he reports all my items are missing. Alright, so lastly, let me show you one more function in the Ranger's app. Suppose I have lost my laundry basket in the laundry room. Let's assume one of my neighbors took it away by mistake because all the baskets look the same. In this case, there is very helpful function in the Ranger's app that can help you so that you don't need to knock 100 doors before you find it. So what you need to do is just push a button to search for the lost item. I lost my laundry, so I push this button here.
Searching for the laundry.
Then you just walk around the neighborhood with the Ranger device. Did you hear that beep sound? So now it's not beeping so frequently because the lost item is not around. But later, when we get closer to the lost item, it will beep very frequently. Still nothing. Okay, it starts beeping frequently here. So it must be either in this unit or this unit. Let's move away from this point to see what would happen. Let's check this wall here first. Okay, it starts beeping frequently here, and let's move to the other side. Okay, it starts beeping again. Okay, it keeps beeping. That means the lost item is inside this wall. Excuse me, sir. I believe you brought my laundry here by mistake. Can I check inside, please? Thank you. There you go. Yeah, it's my laundry. Yeah, it's my laundry with my Cal 3 in it. Then I just push this button
Mission completed.
to complete the mission. So this is all for our demo video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.